DJI has unveiled the Mavic 4 Pro, an upgraded triple-camera drone for advanced pilots seeking a versatile and high-quality aerial photography experience. We've already tested the Mavic 4 Pro with the new RC Pro 2 remote controller that was announced at the same time, and it's quite simply the most impressive prosumer camera drone we've ever used. See our in-depth Mavic 4 Pro review. It updates our previous favorite camera drone, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, with a new 28mm main camera that packs a micro Four Thirds quality sensor and lens with an adjustable aperture, and delivers 100MP/25MP stills and 6K 60 frames per second HDR video with up to 16 EV dynamic range. Then there's the 168mm telephoto camera with updated 1/1.5-inch 50MP/12.5MP sensor, plus the same 70mm mid-telephoto camera with 1/1.3-inch sensor and 48MP/12MP stills. Both of those telephoto cameras shoot 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, while all three cameras can shoot 4K slow-motion video up to 4x, complete with D-Log color profiles. The cherry on the camera cake is the versatile camera unit and gimbal, which can continuously rotate 360 degrees on the roll axis. Plus it offers a 160-degree tilt range with an unmatched 70-degree upward tilt for new perspectives. The camera can also rotate 90 degrees for vertical shooting to make the full use of the image sensor, making it ideal for social content. Previously, users would have to crop the central vertical portion of a horizontal frame for vertical edits, at the cost of pixels. In addition to its aerial photography skills, the Mavic 4 Pro follows the Air 3S with omnidirectional LiDAR object sensing, making it the safest Mavic drone to fly yet, especially at night, dusk and dawn. There's increased power too, for a maximum 51-minute flight time and faster charging speeds, plus return to home without the need for GPS, DJI 4 Plus, which provides a 30 km 10-bit HDR video transmission range, and a neat active track mode with car recognition.